Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home and doing your study well. So, students, welcome you all in your English 2 online class of class 2. So, students, I hope you understood all the three lessons. Lesson 1, that is a story, stone soup. Lesson 2, that is a poem, useless things. And lesson 3, that is also a story, learning together. So students, I hope you all are understood uh, all the three lessons and completing your book exercises and copy work. Please complete it. And students, all the copy work and the book exercises is already uploaded in school website lfsraptinagar.ac.in. Okay students, visit the website, go to the download option and see. All the exercises and the copy work are given there. Okay. I humbly request to dear parents, please help your children, guide your children to finish their work, to complete their English 2 work. Okay. Thank you parents. Your help is very important nowadays. Your guidance is very important for your children nowadays. Please help them, guide them to complete their work. So students, today I am going to start a new lesson, that is lesson 4, poem, sing a math rhyme. So students, today I am going to start a new lesson, that is lesson 4, poem, sing a math rhyme. So before starting this poem, I want to tell you something that students, in your first semester portion, there are 4 lessons. Lesson 1, stone soup. Lesson 2, useless thing, that is a poem. And lesson 3, learning together. And this is lesson 4. This is also a poem. Okay. So in your first semester, there are 4 lessons. 2 rhymes, 2 poems and 2 stories. Okay. So you have to learn each and everything related to the lessons. Okay. You have to learn all the exercises, question answers, word meaning, dictation words, difficult words, everything. Okay. So students, please don't worry. Concentrate on your study. And if you find any doubt, if you find any difficulty during your studies, please note it down in your rough copy. It will be clarified when the school will reopen. Okay. So students, please don't worry. Do your study well. Okay. So students, now I'm going to start your lesson 4, that is sing a math rhyme. Lesson 4, poem, sing a math rhyme. Okay. So this is your poem. Okay. This is your poem. I'm going to read for you. Jia and Hussein go to school together. I think you remember who is Jia and who is Hussein in your previous lesson, lesson 3. There are 3 children. One is the Jia, one is Hussein, and the third one is Rama. But here only the Jia and Hussein. Okay. Jia and Hussein go to school together. They get ready on time to catch the school bus. How they are going to the school? By bus. Okay. What do you do to reach school on time? Okay students, tell me. What you people are doing to come to the school? How you people are coming to the school? Some are coming by bus, some are coming by auto or van, or some are coming with their parents. Okay. So what do you do to reach school on time? You have to come to the school on time, right? So what you people are doing to come to the school on time? You people are wake up early in the morning, take bath, get ready, have your breakfast and catch your bus, van, auto, or you ask to your parents to go to the school. Okay. So you people are coming like this. So I'm going to read this poem for you all. Jia has written a poem. This poem is written by Jia. Okay. Jia has written a poem. Let us read it. Okay. This is your poem written by Jia. Okay. I'm going to read for you. Add some in, take some away. Do some math every day. Count ahead, count backward. Count in nines, use a number line. Build with shapes, learn more or less. Tell the time, sing a math rhyme. So students, this is your poem. 3 paragraphs. So you have to learn this poem. You have to learn 2 poems. One is lesson 2, useless things, and the second poem is this, lesson 4, sing a math rhyme. Okay, you have to learn both the poems. Okay, so again I'm going to read for you all. Please try to read along with me. Listen carefully. Okay, add some in, take some away. Do some math every day. Count ahead, count backward, count in 9, use a number line. Build with shapes, learn more or less. Tell the time, sing a math rhyme. Okay students, can you tell me what is maths? What is the use of maths in your life? I think your math teacher is teaching you maths and it's very interesting and enjoyable for you all. I hope you like maths. Okay students, I tell you, maths is needed at every step of our life. Okay, we cannot live without maths. Okay, do any of us realize the importance of maths in our daily life? This is a subject that is applied to every field and in our day-to-day life. Okay, without maths our life is incomplete. Alright students, learning maths is easier and enjoyable. Your maths teacher is teaching you maths and I think it's very, she's making the maths easier and enjoyable for you all. Yes, maths. Maths is very useful in our everyday life. Okay, maths can help us to do many things that are important for our daily life. Okay, like imagine living your days without a watch and a calendar. Both are using the number. Okay, I tell you that watch and calendar, both are using the number. This is your clock. Okay. This is a clock. There are many numbers. Okay. If we don't know about the numbers, it's not possible to see the time. Okay. If you don't know about the number, if you don't know maths, how you will see the time? Is it possible? No. Your life is impossible without maths. Life won't. Imagine living your days without a watch and a calendar. Both are using number, the most basic things of maths. Maths. In maths, the most basic thing is numbers. These are the most basic things. These are the numbers. Without numbers, it's not possible to learn about maths. If you want to learn the maths, you have to learn about the numbers. Alright? So just imagine your life without a watch or a calendar. Is it possible? If you don't know about the numbers, if you don't know about the maths, how you will see the time? It's not possible. In a watch, in a clock, there are numbers 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 numbers are there. But if you know the table of 5, then you are able to see the watch. Then you are able to see the watch. Okay. So, maths is very important for our daily life. Okay, I am giving one more example to you all. If you go to the shop to buy something, and you have to pay money for your things, what you are buying from there, you have to pay money for it. But if you don't know about money, how you will pay? How you will pay? Is it possible? No. So you have to know the maths. You have to learn the maths. Okay. Maths is very interesting subject. Enjoy and learn. Okay. So if you don't know what is money, you are not able to buy anything, because in money, you have seen the money. There is rupees 10, rupees 50, rupees 100, rupees 200. Okay, if you don't know the numbers, how you will pay the money to the shopkeeper? Is it possible? No, it's not possible. If you don't know the counting, what do you do? To living in the world is very difficult if you don't know the maths, because maths is just around you. Okay. Okay, listen. Like carpenter. You know who is carpenter? Okay. Carpenter or a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor, an engineer or a scientist, a musician or a magician. Everyone needs maths in their day-to-day life. Maths is everywhere. It is all around you. So you have to learn maths. Maths is very important for your life. Okay? No matter you are carpenter or a doctor or mechanic or a magician, you have to learn the maths. Okay, I want to tell you one interesting thing. Here it is written, build with shapes, learn more or less, tell the time, sing a math rhyme. Okay? Okay, do you know one thing? Insects use maths in their everyday life for existing. You know how? Okay. How many of you seen that home of bees? Hives, combs. We are saying combs also. Okay, what is the shape of the comb? It's like this. I think this is the shape of the comb. Right? This is only. Okay, this is hexagonal. Okay? Like bees build their hexagonal combs. This is the combs of a bee. Combs of a bees. Hexagonal shape. Okay. Spiders design their waves. Have you seen? Spiders are making their waves to live there. Okay. They are also designing their waves. Okay. There are countless examples of mathematical pattern and shapes. Okay, there are countless examples. Snails, okay, makes their shells. Okay, everything. The snail shells is, I think, like this. Okay, spiral, and spider is also making. I don't know how to make, but I'm trying. This is the way I think. Okay, spider are also making their waves. They are also design their waves. Okay, it's very interesting. I think the insects are also using math for their existence. Okay, so you know, students, math is everywhere. It helps to create or build your mental balance. Okay, they help to live your everyday life. You live your everyday life with the help of maths. You are going out to buy something, you have to pay money. If you don't know the counting, how you will pay the money? It's not possible. Okay, so maths is everywhere. Maths is helping to human to live their life. Okay, so maths is a subject which needs in every field or your day-to-day life. Okay, so students, please learn maths. Maths is very interesting. I know some are not liking the maths, but if you feel interest in that, if you pay attention, or if you concentrate on the maths, you like maths. Maths is very enjoyable subject. Okay, students. So this is your lesson. This is lesson 4. This is the last lesson of your first semester. Okay, in your first semester there are 4 lessons. So 1, 2, 3 we have completed already. So this is the last one. Sing a math rhyme. In this portion there are 2 poems and 2 stories. So I'm going to read the poem for you all again. Add some in, take some away, do some math every day, count ahead, count backward, count in nines, use a number line. Build with shapes, learn more or less, tell the time, sing a math rhyme. So students, please learn the poem. You have to learn 2 poems. Lesson 2, useless things, and lesson 4, sing a math rhyme. You have to learn both the poems. Students, this poem is very easy. You will learn very easily, okay? So, this much is for today. Hope to meet you in the next class tomorrow. Tomorrow class I'm going to do the book exercise for you all. So do your study, learn the poems, and listen to your parents. So students, be ready for the next class tomorrow. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we are going to do our book exercise of this lesson, lesson 4. We are going to do the book exercise of this lesson, and be ready for tomorrow. Thank you. Take care of yourself and have a nice day.